Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Teams with the error 9HEHW in Windows 11. So this error 9HEHW will typically show whenever the program on your PC has connectivity or login problems. Different causes are incorrect time and date, conditional access policy, and app or cache problems. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check time and date settings. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to launch this Windows settings. So once you open up this Windows settings, and then next step, so here at left side bar, and then you need to select this time and language. And then on right side, and then you can see here the date and time. So click the settings. And you can see here the date and time. And then next, you can see also here the set time automatically. And then all you have to do is to toggle on or enable the settings, and on right side you can see here the button, so we need to turn on. Okay, so once you turn on the set time automatically, and then close the settings, and the other solutions we will do is to update the Teams app. So all you have to do is to click on a start menu, and then select Microsoft Store. And once you open up this Microsoft Store, and then here at searching address bar, and then you need to type this Microsoft Teams, and then click this Microsoft Teams app. Okay, so you will see here the Microsoft Teams app, and then all you have to do is to update this app. Okay, so you can see here the installed app. If there's anything here that update, then you need to click and download or install the new update. All right, so once you do this here at Microsoft Store, and then close, and the other solutions we will do is to repair and reset the Microsoft Teams. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to launch or open this Windows settings. And then once you open up this system settings at left sidebar, and then you need to select this apps, and on right side, and then click this installed apps, and here at installed apps, and then search app, and then you need to type this Microsoft Teams. And then once you type here the Microsoft Teams, and automatically you can see here this Microsoft Teams app. And then next step, so on right side, and then you need to click this three dot, and then tap this advanced option. At here at advanced option settings, and then scroll down, and then locate this reset. So if this app isn't working right, then we can try to repair it, and then tap this repair and wait to complete the repair process. Okay, so repair process complete, and then if this app is still isn't working right, and then you need to reset this settings. So tap this reset, and this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So click this reset and wait to complete the reset process. Okay, so reset process complete, and then close the settings at here at the start menu, and then we need to restart your PC. Okay, so click only restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Microsoft Teams with the error 9HEHW in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.